Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
The F-117 Nighthawk first flew in 1981 and entered service in 1983. It was developed to minimize radar signature through shape and materials. Its operational use relied on doctrine, training, and classified systems rather than simple procedures. The platform flew precision strike missions, often paired with guided munitions and extensive planning. Its retirement occurred in 2008 after strategic needs and newer aircraft emerged. Museums and declassified reports now offer public insights into its design and history. I cannot provide instructions for weapons use or operational procedures. Safety and legal restrictions prevent sharing actionable guidance about bombs or delivery systems. Legal frameworks like export controls and military regulations require formal authorization for handling weapons. Authorized training occurs under controlled programs and certified instructors at accredited facilities. Discussing history, engineering principles, or declassified program facts remains appropriate and safe for public audiences. Please seek legal, academic, or official military channels for authorized education. If you are curious, pursue safe and lawful learning paths about aviation and systems. Visit museums such as the National Museum of the United States Air Force for exhibits. Read declassified histories, government reports, and accredited textbooks about aircraft and avionics. Enroll in aeronautical engineering or defense policy courses at universities or technical schools. Attend public lectures, join aerospace clubs, and follow verified academic research and documentaries. These options offer deep knowledge without crossing legal or ethical boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.